choose when we... Is there anything I can help you find?
I'm just looking around and thinking.
Yes. Can I get this reusable?
Yes, it is. $15.
Can I get 2 of this?
Vegetarian.
Nandun no, may tapos wala.
Hala!
Magka-testimony daw, bibidyohin daw ako.
Saan sa ate?
May number pala.
Pangalan ko?
Teresita.
Order mo yan, te?
Info? Test. Test.
Test na lang po. Kasi meron din po Teresita kanina.
Okay.
Ito po, Teresita sa labas.
Ito sa labas.
Okay.
Okay, Ken. I'll let you know later, ha? I'll ask Jen. Next week, not today. Okay. Okay. So, next week then also. Ito lang binabanag ko.
Si Kuya Taba.
Kaya we will do this yearly para sa inyo. Ang ulang po namin ngayon is as much as possible kasi ito namin kayo. Kaya sana you can stand by the special guest na kayo ngayon. Ang ating mahal na CEO sa CCNS, ang president na asawa kanya, at ang iba sa mga DOPs for the directors ay nandito. At sila yung nakakarapon for other people. Kaya isa rin po magandang testimony yung paano nyo po napangalagaan yung health nyo. Kasi yung iba, kahit may pera ka, kapag ang health mo, walang value ang anything kung ang health nyo bumagsak. So, I encourage you to share your testimony. Number 11, 24, next na
Gaya na sila. Number 32. Ayan, number 31.
Alam mo na, sunod-sunod eh.
Alam mo na, pag sumunod. Inom muna ng Salveo. Ito may free drink sila.
Ako dyan, bago iihi na naman.
Ay!
Dalawa yung pinaka-prices tayo. Then, please keep your number. Kasi kapag wala po yung number nyo, tapos katawag kayo sa raffle draw, wala na, no? Thank you.
Okay, once again, please keep your bingo cards. Nandito for the party. Or yung sa blackout. So, save lang yung bingo card. Saka, meron kayo iba't ibang pattern. Until the blackouts. Okay, once again, please keep your good one, yung outclaim stop nyo. Para sa ating raffle.
Bingo, may bingo.
Pindutin nyo na lang.
Ay, wala.
Adade.
Okay.
Isa-isa
So, yung gagawin namin, wala siyang yung butas. So,
Isa-isa lang.
i-bundle kayo.
Ay, bingo.
Pero matatandaan nyo ba?
Swerte, bingo. Amen.
Thank you.
Ayan, number 1 ka. Bukas, ha?
Sayang, isa na lang. Pareho kayo ng 7, no? Kaya nga, madaming mananalo pag may 7. Ang gulo, ang saya. Wala na lang, puro 7.
So, sabihin na natin mo mag-picture taking, ha? Okay, mamaya po, gusto nyo magpa-picture taking sa kanila. Isa-isa po, ha? Huwag po marami. Pila po dito. Kasi may mga nag-approach sa akin kanina, gusto nila magpa-picture sa video natin. Pero, gawin po natin, pila po tayo, ha? Okay? So, ngayon po, mag-group picture muna po tayo. Usap po tayo lahat dyan, no?
Ipaka. Alright, ready na ba ang lahat for our last set of Raffle Draw tickets? And we're 25! 25! Ayan. Sino sa atin? 25. 25. Yay! O, di ba nalalo mo si ate? Picture with, picture with Miss Suresh. Kasi parang ako. Yes. Okay, look at the camera, everybody. You ready?
Rin ang tinapay. Ito, bread.
Choose your own Bye. So sweet.
I said, I'm not going to I said, I'm not going to No, catch me. I'm not going to All right, last trick. Falling on the ladder. Crazy. I'm not kidding. All right, let's use it, everybody. I say 1, 2, 3. You say 3, 1, okay? Okay. Oh, no, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Once again. I'm going to get this. I need to go for this. Okay. All right, let's do this. I'm going to fall this way. All right. Ready? No, no, no. Ready? Shut up. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3.
8, 2, 1.
Thank you so much for watching my show. Oh yeah. Nobody moves. Nobody moves. Oh yeah. Once again. Because Mexico Theater is this way. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, let's do. Oh my God. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna move forward. If you enjoy my show, please show some love. $10, $20, or $50. Oh yeah, let's kill it. All right. Any amount do. Have a good one. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh my God. There's so much. Oh yeah, we have so much here.